Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. How are you today? I'm so happy to see you again. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. Noah, it's great to be here with you again. Today, we're practicing a simple and fun cafe conversation. Welcome to Daily English Chat.
Thank you, Sophia. I'm happy to be here again. And I'm ready to practice this cafe conversation with everyone today.
Hi, this cafe smells amazing today. I'd like to order a coffee, please. Repeat with me. I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Thank you, Sophia. I'm glad you like it. What kind of coffee would you like today? Hot or iced? Repeat with me. What kind of coffee would you like?
In English, when we order something, we often say, I'd like. It's polite, simple, and very common in cafes. Repeat with me. I'd like.
That's right. And you can use it for many things. For example, I'd like sugar. Or, I'd like some water. Repeat with me. I'd like some water.
Everything looks so good today. I think I'll have a medium coffee, please. Repeat with me. Medium coffee.
Great choice. Would you like any sugar or milk with that? Repeat with me. Any sugar or milk?
Just a little milk, please. Not too much. Repeat with me. Just a little milk.
Perfect. I'll prepare it for you. It will be ready in just a minute. Repeat with me. It will be ready soon.
If you want to be polite in English, you can say, just a little, please, or not too much. Repeat with me. Just a little, please.
And if you don't want something, you can say, no thank you. Repeat with me. No thank you.
While you prepare the coffee, Noah, this place feels really cozy today. Do you always start this early in the morning? Repeat with me. Do you start this early?
Yes, I do. The morning is my favorite time. People come in sleepy, and coffee makes them smile. Repeat with me. Coffee makes them smile.
In English, when we talk about routines, we use the present simple. I start. I work. I open. Repeat with me. I start early.
That's right. And when we talk about things we like, we say, I like mornings. Repeat with me. I like mornings.
Wow, that smells amazing, Noah. Fresh coffee always makes the morning better. Repeat with me. Fresh coffee.
Here you go, Sophia. One medium coffee with a little milk. By the way, here you go is a common phrase when giving something to someone. Repeat with me. Here you go.
Thanks, Noah. In a coffee shop, we also hear phrases like for here or to go. Repeat with me. For here or to go.
That's true. And another useful phrase is anything else? It keeps the conversation simple and polite. Repeat with me. Anything else?
This coffee is really good, Noah. It's warm, smooth, and perfect for the morning. Repeat with me. This coffee is really good.
I'm happy you like it. Many customers say the same thing. In English, We often say, it's perfect when something tastes good. Repeat with me. It's perfect.
By the way, Noah, if I want more coffee, I can say, can I have a refill? Repeat with me. Can I have a refill?
Exactly. And if you don't want more, you can say, I'm good. Thank you. This is polite and very common. Repeat with me. I'm good. Thank you.
Noah, the service here is always so friendly. I hear customers say, take your time when they are not in a hurry. Repeat with me. Take your time.
That's true. And baristas often say no rush to make people feel relaxed. It's a simple phrase, but very polite. Repeat with me. No rush.
I hear you say, your order is almost ready. It's a very common phrase in coffee shops. Repeat after me. Almost ready.
Exactly. We use phrases like ready soon, coming right up, and here you go all the time. Repeat with me. Coming right up.
Noah, the smell of fresh coffee reminds me of my mornings at home. I usually say, I like strong coffee. Repeat with me. I like strong coffee.
That's nice, Sophia. I prefer sweet coffee. Sometimes I say, my favorite is iced coffee. Repeat with me. My favorite is iced coffee.
In English, when we talk about things we like, we use simple phrases like I like or I prefer. Repeat with me. I prefer.
And when something is your number one choice, you say, my favorite is. It's an easy phrase for everyday conversations. Repeat with me. My favorite is.
You know, Noah, a warm cup of coffee really makes me feel calm. It's like a small moment of peace in the day. Repeat with me. I feel calm.
I feel the same, Sophia. When I drink coffee in the morning, I feel happy and ready for the day. Repeat with me. I feel happy.
In English, using I feel is a simple way to talk about your emotions. For example, I feel relaxed. Repeat with me. I feel relaxed.
Yes, and you can also say, I feel tired, I feel excited, or I feel great. Repeat with me. I feel great.
Noah, sometimes I hear people say no sugar or extra sugar when they order. Is that common here? Repeat with me. No sugar. Extra sugar.
Yes, very common. People also ask for extra milk or no milk. These phrases help the barista understand your order clearly. Repeat with me. Extra milk, no milk.
And I often hear customers say small, medium, or large. These three words are very important in any coffee shop. Repeat with me. Small, medium, large.
And sometimes people say strong coffee or light coffee. These help describe how you want the flavor. Repeat with me. Strong coffee, light coffee.
Noah, I also hear baristas ask, for here or to go? That one is really useful. Repeat with me. For here or to go?
Yes. And another important one is anything else? It means, do you want something more? Repeat with me. Anything else?
Noah, when I finish my order, I usually say, that's all, thank you. It's simple and very polite. Repeat with me. That's all. Thank you.
Yes, that's perfect. And at the counter, people often ask, "Do you take card?" It means they want to pay with a card. Repeat with me. Do you take card?
If I want to pay with money, I can say, can I pay in cash? Repeat with me. Pay in cash.
Great! And as a barista, I usually say, your total is $5. Repeat with me. Your total is...
After paying, I often hear, here is your receipt. Repeat with me. Your receipt.
Great. And of course, we always say, enjoy your coffee. It's friendly and very common. Repeat with me. Enjoy your coffee.
Noah, I always hear people ordering different types of coffee. Sometimes I get confused. Could you explain the simple ones, like latte, cappuccino, and Americano? Repeat with me. Latte, cappuccino, Americano.
Great. Of course, Sophia. A latte has more milk. A cappuccino has more foam. And an Americano is just coffee and hot water. Repeat with me. More milk. More foam.
For beginners learning English, a good tip is to use simple words first. You can say milk coffee or coffee with foam if you forget the name. Repeat with me. Coffee with milk.
That's a great tip, Sophia. People will understand you, and you will feel more confident. Repeat with me. I feel confident.
Noah, if I want to try something new, I can ask, what do you recommend? It's a simple and friendly question. Repeat with me. What do you recommend?
I usually recommend our cappuccino. People love it because it's smooth and not too strong. Repeat with me. I recommend the cappuccino.
A cappuccino sounds interesting, Noah. I think I'll try that today. I think I'll try that. Repeat with me. I'll try that.
Great choice, Sophia. Most people say sounds good when they like a suggestion. Repeat with me. Sounds good.
Noah, how do people describe coffee here? Do they say sweet, bitter, strong, or light? Repeat with me. Sweet, bitter.
Yes, those 4 words help a lot when ordering coffee. Many people say, not too strong, please. Repeat with me. Not too strong.
Noah, if I want to ask someone's preference, I can say, do you like it sweet or strong? Repeat with me. Sweet or strong?
Exactly. And I sometimes hear customers say, just a little sweet. Repeat with me. Just a little sweet. Thank you so much for being here today. I really enjoyed this coffee conversation with Sophia, and I hope it helped you learn something new. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next lesson.
Thank you, Noah, and thank you to everyone watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment where you are watching from. You're doing great. Keep practicing, keep learning. See you next time on Daily English Chat.